Hey there, today we're going to look at how to use deputy scheduling. So let's get started. First, understand that a schedule shows when the team is intended to work. Over here, timesheets are only used to show when the team actually worked. Then remember that supervisors, location managers, and system administrators can create schedules, but supervisors can't view team member cost details. After that, set up your deputy account by creating your work locations and scheduling areas. Over here, add your team members with pay rates, leave types, and unavailability. Then, create your training modules and assign them to the relevant team members. After that, clock in using a 4-digit PIN or face unlock. Over here, start your scheduled or unscheduled shift through the app. Then, take and end breaks by selecting the break options inside the app. After that, end your shift and edit shift times, areas worked, or breaks if needed. Then, enable or disable face unlock in the app settings for easier login. Over here, note that some workplaces may require photos when starting or ending shifts. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.